Root to breathe where you are. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel your strength. One more inhale. And exhale. Lift up. Stork. The left foot come down. Sweep the fingertips high. Exhale. Fold. Separate your feet so that they at least hip width distance apart. Grab your big toes with your peace sign fingers. Press into the feet. Halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale. Fold. Tip the elbows out to the sides. Draw the heart towards the thighs. And then breathe in. And breathe out. Your breath in. Breath out. Let go of your volume. Start to heel to your feet closer towards one another. Lower the hips to the heels. Lift the heels to the sky. Ball pose. You can balance here on your fingertips, or you can draw your legs in towards your body and lift through the heart space. Inhale. Exhale, both toes. Maybe bring your hands down first. Hips to the mat. Lift through the legs. Lift the heart. Draw your legs together. Gaze up. Option to extend the arms forward.